This is the assembly of the Ender 3 3D printer. I have all the pieces and parts laid out just like list 1 and 2. Step 1 is attaching the arms. Make sure it's facing forward and that you're putting the right arms in the right spot. After you're sure of that, go ahead and screw them in place. Step 2 is attaching the power source and the display screen. Make sure your power source is switched to the right voltage for your country and that your screw holes are lined up so you can put it on the right spot. For the display screen, we're going to line it up on the edge and screw in the screws adjacent. Step 3 is attaching the clicker. It has special bolts so you can slide it in place and then tighten it so it doesn't go anywhere. Step 4, this is our vertical adjuster. So make sure you have this screwed nice and tight. After you've secured it in place, attach the coil. Step 5, this is the edge of our 3D printer arm. We're going to go ahead and put the pin in for the filament and then attach the arm to the end. Once it's secure in place, we're going to move on to the next step, which is actually adding the pin head. Slide the pin head and then put the connector on the end. This is going to make sure that it can slide up and down vertically. For this piece, it has the same bolts as the other piece, so we can slide it in and tighten it. Step 8 is adding the belt. I messed up here and I added the belt in teeth out. The belt should always be teeth in. For step 9, we're going to finally attach the arm, line it up with the coil hole, and then use the vertical adjuster to bring it down. Make sure you put the plastic part into the filament hole. Step 10 is adding the top. Secure it in, line up the holes. Step 11 is our filament holder. Make sure this is nice and tight as well because we don't want our filament to fall when we're 3D printing. Lastly, attach all of our power sources together. This is just connecting X to X, Y to Y, etc. Make sure you put the display screen ribbon on the last one to the far left. Then plug her in and turn her on. And the Ender 3 is ready.
Pretty simple, easy build. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.